What happens inside your body if you eat a cup of ice cream every day for 30 days? Your mouth closes, you swallow, and behind that single bite, your chest becomes the doorway into everything that follows. Inside, the ice cream drops as a thick, glowing bolus, sliding into your stomach like a slow, creamy bomb. In seconds, that creamy bomb melts into red sugar, flooding branching vessels with light. This is only day one. From the pancreas, powerful insulin waves pulse outward, sweeping along your blood vessels and driving sugar into muscle and fat cells. As sugar explodes through your veins, your pancreas snaps awake, glowing like an alarm beacon, scrambling to contain the surge. From the pancreas, powerful insulin waves pulse outward, sweeping along your blood vessels and driving sugar into muscle and fat cells. With every pulse, more sugar is dragged from your blood, while muscle and fat cells flare with light as they absorb it. Now that sugar rush slams into your liver, an orange powerhouse suddenly flooded as glowing red blood streams in for processing. Deep inside its tissue, the first yellow warning signs appear. Tiny, fat droplets quietly forming inside individual liver cells. Those droplets multiply fast, clustering together and swelling your liver cells as they struggle to store all that excess sugar. By week 2, fat has colonized whole regions of your liver, a patchwork of clear tissue and heavy yellow damage. Now that extra energy has to go somewhere, so your body quietly tucks it away as a thin ring of fat. Each sugary hit swells those fat cells like tiny balloons, the ring thickening smoothly as your body keeps storing more. From the outside, it's just a slightly softer belly, but inside, your organs are being slowly squeezed for space. By week 3, that belt of fat is pulsing with pressure around your organs, silently tightening its grip with every scoop. Meanwhile, your brain is lighting up in pleasure, its purple circuits glowing as it tags ice cream as pure reward. Just the thought of another spoon is enough. A ghost scoop appears, and dopamine sparks fire through your reward circuits. Spoon after spoon, the hits come faster, but each dopamine burst is weaker, forcing your brain to chase more. Now your brain still glows, but the sparks are dull. Your blood is sugar red, and your craving is stronger. By now, your heart is working harder, glowing deep red with a tense orange halo from constant sugar-loaded blood. Inside your arteries, red blood cells no longer glide. They push through thick yellow fat, the flow turning crowded and sluggish. Across your whole vessel network, this red and yellow mixture surges everywhere, spreading stress to every corner of your circulation. A soft red haze of inflammation clings to vessel walls. Your heart beats faster, and by day 30, strain is obvious. Step back, and this is you after 30 days. On the outside, normal. On the inside, everything glowing differently. Up top, your brain's purple glow has faded, but those last weak sparks still whisper for one more hit. Down here, your liver is speckled with fat, and that yellow ring around your organs has quietly grown thicker. Side by side, the difference is clear. This is 30 days of daily ice cream written silently inside your body.